Welcome to Tidewater Beach Resort in Panama City Beach, Florida. I'm Sean Casilli.
I'm Alice de la Penha with Coldwell Banker Realty.
The real experts. All right, you guys, we're going to take you on a tour of unit 1417. It's an end unit on the southeast side of the building. Let's flip this around and go for a tour. So as we mentioned, up on the balcony, let me show the end here. You can see down towards the west end from this side of the balcony.
And from this side of the balcony, you can see the pier.
Yeah, the pier at Pier Park right there.
If it was a clearer day, you probably can see all the way to St. Andrews Park and Pier Park.
Well, we can see Pier Park right there. Oh, yeah. Let me show you the rest of the balcony here. Let me back up a little bit so you can see all of that. But we're going to take you inside now. We got over 1,600 square feet here, 3-bedroom, 3-bath with a bunk area. And those windows right there, they go almost floor to ceiling.
Right.
But these doors right here that give the best morning views, oh my goodness, those do go all the way from floor to ceiling. Oh, what a view.
Come over here for 4th of July weekend and you can see the fireworks from your living room.
That's right. And from a couple of the bedrooms if you wanted, but if you wanted to enjoy the views from the living room, you got plenty of space out here to spread out.
So this unit has a floor tile throughout the entire unit, so no carpets, granite countertops in the kitchen, stainless steel appliances, fully furnished, of course. Great rental unit, because you know Tidewater has a lot of amenities to offer. Pool, hot tub, has an owner's lounge.
Yeah, that's on the 30th floor, so if you're not afraid of heights and you want to be like king of the castle and see over everyone and everything, that owner's lounge is the place to be. And if you check the playlist area on our channel for Tidewater, we have done videos of the owner's lounge up there and the amazing views that it provides. So we got bedroom number 1 here.
With your own private bathroom. It has 2 closets on each side as well.
I'm not hiding from the camera, Mark.
Back to the hallway, you do have a closet here for your beach stuff.
Right, and then I do want to point out this is the front door. Stay tuned because I'm going to show you how close we are to the elevators.
There's your mechanicals, water heater, and HVAC, your laundry area. Let's go this way and show this bedroom that also has the view to the ocean.
I just passed a walk-in closet there, but Alice is excited about the view, so I'm going to show you that.
Oh, yeah.
And Alice was talking about the amenities. You can see, even from this window, you can see the pool and hot tub. There's a theater here, fitness center. Again, check the playlist area because we've done other videos of the amenities here. And we've even done a cinematic tour of this property, so. Of this unit in particular. Behind this door here, you got an extra counter space.
Like you said before, you have a full closet here. And then if you go this way, you have a bunk room. How many people fit in this unit?
10 is the maximum occupancy rating for the rental. Mm-hmm. But there's a bunk area behind you.
Right. And then there's a bathroom that serves both of those.
Okay, she didn't catch what I was putting down. This is currently outfitted like a bunk room. So you got a total of 6 bunks in here.
Right.
But if you wanted to configure this room a little bit differently and then put 2 people on a sleeper sofa in the living room, you could change the configuration in here, but I think it kind of works. I mean, who wants to sleep on a sleeper sofa unless you're like 12?
Right. Who wants to sleep in the hallway?
The kids. So we got a full bathroom here that is shared between the two bunk rooms, or one bunk area and one bunk room. They each have their own entrance, and we got a shower here. I did say that I would take you guys to the elevator.
Yeah.
Let me show you how close that is. Such a gentleman.
Ooh.
Thank you for getting the door.
You're welcome.
So we just came out the front door, and here is the elevator. Another thing that I like about this hallway here is this is all enclosed behind glass, so if it was raining sideways, you're gonna stay dry when you come home from shopping or from the pool or the beach or the fitness center. You won't get wet. All right, I got to take you guys back out to the balcony one more time. If you want to see this unit in person, reach out to us. If we're not available, one of our team members would certainly love to show it to you. And if you guys have property that you want to buy or sell anywhere in the Florida Panhandle.
What a fantastic view.
We would love to help you guys with that. So again, Tidewater Beach Resort, and a beautiful day in Panama City Beach, Florida. So if you're watching this on YouTube, oh, look at that. I don't think YouTube has that yet. It's coming. But hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, click the little bell to not miss anything so you get notifications. And we do property tours like this all the time. So we'll see you on the next one.
Thanks so much. Bye for now.